Mumu too much.
Boom, boom, boom. Na me, landlord. Mr. Tom, I wan see you.
True about this one with the landlord again this morning, eh? Can't you let the poor breed? Good morning, landlord. How your day now? I hope say they enjoyed this weekend.
Abeg, no tell me that one. Wetin good about this morning? Where my house rent? You just be my house, dey enjoy yourself. I dey hear your story.
The landlord, please get patient. No worries, sir. I will get the money for you. You get one of my container wey dey IC. Na wetin I dey wait for. That's why I never pay you.
If you like, make your container come or make e sink for high sea. That one no concern me. You get 1 week to pay me my money.
No problem, Oga landlord.
All the money wey I don borrow as loan, now I don spend finish on top all this sport betting and Mama Ijebu. And again, Sandra just dey chop me finish. Omo life.
Omo, the first thing I need to do now to discharge this girl, Sandra. Make she come dey go. Oya, Sandra, I be like say you come dey go. Abeg, party don end.
Omo, na this loan people, na dem dey call me now. Dem dey text me. Omo, these people dey disturb pass mosquito sef. Make I answer them, make I even hear wetin they wan talk. Hello, who be this?
Hello, this is Mr. Jackson calling on behalf of the Federal Gbese Collection Agency. Am I speaking to Mr. Tom?
Omo, na this oga of this loan company dey call me now. Omo, na to deny my identity. After all, they don't know my address. They need to find me.
Sorry, sir. This is Mr. Chuks, Mr. Tom's uncle. Mr. Tom don go Canada last week on business trip. You say when he come back, he go pay una money.
Excuse me, young man, what did you just say?
Oga, I don tell you. Mr. Tom no dey Nigeria again. When he come back, he go pay you.
Listen, young man, we have all your information. I know you are Mr. Tom. And the long arm of the law is going to catch up with you very soon.
See this man, do you know who you are talking to? Listen, man, I tell you something. Just forget that matter. If you know if you wait for 5 years, forget that matter. You guys don't have my address. Now, if you catch me, nothing dey happen.
Oh, now I can see that you're a common criminal. Well, no problem. We don't contact everybody we know you. We know that you are a thief or a criminal. And we are also coming for you right now.
Oga, forget that thing. Stop to talk nonsense.
Who dey inside here? Open up. This is Nigerian police.
Yeah, you don't say to. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.